5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Challenge in this appeal is to the order passed by the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission dismissing the revision petition filed by the appellant. Stop. Challenge before the commission was to the order passed in appeal by the Himachal Pradesh State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Shimla, which in turn had upheld the order passed by the District Forum, Shimla. Stop para. The stand of the present appellant was that the policy had lapsed due to non-payment of premium in time. Stop. This plea was not accepted by the District Forum on the ground that the check was claimed to have been issued on 12/7/1995, but is presumed to have been received earlier than that date. Stop. The State Commission held that in any event the amount was received within the grace period and, therefore, the claim could not have been repudiated. Stop. Accordingly, the appeal filed by the appellant was dismissed. Stop. The National Forum dismissed the revision holding that Section 64 of the Insurance Act, 1938 was applicable where the premium is tendered by postal money order or check sent by post and the risk may be assumed on the date on which the money order is booked or the check is posted, as the case may be. Stop. Therefore, it was held that there was revival. Stop. It did not accept the stand of the appellant that the revival was not a matter of right. Stop. In support of the appeal, learned counsel for the appellant submitted that the District Forum, the State Commission and the National Commission failed to notice certain relevant factors. Stop. It was not explained as to why the check was issued by Prakash Chandra and not by the insured. Stop. This is sufficient to show that subsequently a check was issued to regularize the policy. Stop. Further, the check was received on 12/7/1995, much after the death, and this itself is sufficient to show that the check was not issued prior to the death of the insured. Stop. The extract of the receipt register has been filed which shows that the check was received on 12/7/1995. Stop. The State Commission came to the conclusion that the check was issued during the grace period. Stop. This is also factually incorrect because the grace period is 30 days, the premium was due on 28/3/1995 and the check was issued much beyond the grace period. Stop. Additionally, Section 64 of the Act does not apply to the appellant. Stop. In this context, Section 43 of the Life Insurance Corporation Act, 1956 has relevance. Stop. Reference is also made to Condition 2 of the policy. Stop. In reply, learned counsel for the claimant submitted that it is not Condition 2 of the policy which is applicable, but Condition number 3 which is applicable. Stop. It is stated that no adverse inference can be drawn because the insured had not signed the check and merely because the check was received after the death of the deceased that does not entitle the appellant to refuse a genuine claim. Stop. The corporation reserves the right to accept or decline the revival of discontinued policy. Stop. If any suggestions regarding speed, legal or general matter and advanced outlines will be welcomed in the comment box. Thank you.